Hello everyone, this is William Tapscott. I'm here with Taylorsville Crime Watch, and today we're with Jim Linhoop, the mayor of Columbus, Indiana. And Jim is here to discuss blighted homes in Columbus and how to report them.
Yeah, thank you, William. Glad to be here today. What we want to talk about today are blighted homes, or simply homes that in a great state of disrepair, ones that may be beyond worth saving, beyond worth trying to bring back. What we'd like for you to do is to consider recommending the Blight Elimination Program. It's something that we do here at the City of Columbus. We use some federal funds to buy the house, to tear it down, and then turn the ground into something that can be used for another residence. You know, some future homeowner can have. The way the program works is somebody contacts us, lets us know that they're interested in learning about the program. Don't even have to decide at that point whether they want to participate, but just learn about the program. Typically, what we're able to do, if you qualify, is make a payment to the homeowner somewhere in the neighborhood of $6,000 plus or minus, and then we take ownership and we take care of the deconstruction costs, the demolition. You know, typically we'll demolish the home that's there, take the foundations out, we'll level off the ground, and then we'll turn it over to a not-for-profit organization that in turn will try to find housing for low-income individuals. Thrive Alliance is one of our partners in this regard, but there are a couple others, around town. The whole idea again is to be able to improve the community, make Columbus a little bit more attractive place to live in. Oftentimes these homes, even though if there are people in them, they're substandard living conditions, and so we're able to upgrade the opportunities that people have for a warm, dry place to live that's safe and comfortable. And we get a little bit of money sometimes to the homeowner, so it makes it a little bit easier for them to participate in the program, and as an overall improvement to the community. So if you're interested or you know somebody who might, please pass along to them the Blight Elimination Program. We sometimes refer to it as BEP, and the number is 376-2500. That's the number here at City Hall. We'll bring you into my office, and we'll get you referred to Robin Hilber. She's the lady here who manages this program for us. So 376-2500. You can ask for Robin Hilber or just mention the Blight Elimination Program. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for your time and your interview.
You're welcome. Good day.